Hello students, today we are going to see about 16-bit subtraction in 8086 and also we are going to execute the same by using the 8086 kit. So what is the first instruction? Move AX comma and the address 1200 address, whatever the data available, we are going to move to AX register. So actually in 8086 each and every memory location only 8-bit data is stored. So 1200 will carry the lower 8-bit data and 1201 will carry the upper 8-bit data. So that is 7434. This is the 16-bit data. This data whatever available in these two memory location, okay, that is moved to AX register. Similarly, 1202 is having the lower byte 50 and 1203 is having the higher byte 23. So in total 16-bit data, that is 2350. Whatever it is available in these two locations, that is 1202 and 1203, will be moved to BX register. So we have AX register, the data is 7434 and BX register we have 2350. The next instruction is subtraction. So BX value is subtracted from AX. So while subtracting these two data, 4 minus 0 is 4 and 3 minus 5 means we have to get the borrow from 4. So it becomes 13. So 13 minus 5. So actually this is hexadecimal subtraction. So 13's equivalent in decimal value is 19. 19 minus 5 is 14. 14's equivalent value is E. So we get E while subtracting 13 minus 5 in hexadecimal. So if you have any doubt, you can use your calculator, use hexadecimal as base and subtract these two data, you will get the answer. You can verify using your calculator. And then, so once we get the borrow here, this value becomes 3. So 3 minus 3 is nothing but 0 and then next 7 minus 2 is nothing but 5. So you have to get the output 50E4. That is stored in the AX register. So that AX register you are moving to the next memory location 1204. And finally we are giving the halt to stop the program. So now let us execute the same program in the kit. First give A, enter and then give 1000 in the kit and then press enter. So starting address is given. Now give the instruction one by one. So move AX within the square braces we have to give 1200 and close the square braces. So first data is moved to AX register and then give the second data. So 1202, that value is moved to BX register and then give the next instruction, move AX comma BX. After giving one instruction, press enter in the kit and then finally we are moving the AX data to the address 1204. So as per the instruction whatever we have, give the code as it is and next halt. So once you have given the program, press reset in the kit. Now we have to give the input. For giving the input we have to use SW. SW is nothing but substitute word. So what are the two locations we have? Input address 1200. So 1200 we have to give the data. So we have to give the data called 7434. So enter that data. So what is the second data? Second data we can give it as 2350. So these two data we have to give. So 1204 is not required, right? So you can give, either you can clear and see the output. Okay, so now all the two inputs has been given. So if you want to recheck, you can again verify that. So use SW 1200. So first data is 7434, second data is 2350. Now 1204 we doesn't have any value. So now press reset. Now input values are given and now execute the program. For execution we have to give go space starting program address. Starting program address is 1000. So give enter. So you will be getting like this, executing. Now press reset. To see the output, give SW space. Output address is what? 1204. So give 1204. So the output is nothing but 50E4. So while subtracting 2350 from 7434, will be getting 50E4. So and then finally you can reset, so that the next program you can execute and see. Thank you.